Hey guys, in this video I'll be doing the gaming review of the POCO F1. Firstly, here I'll be performing 3D Mark gaming benchmark, and here are the results. Those who are interested can pause the screen and take a look at them. Next I'll be playing PUBG and the initial temperature is 35 and I have set the graphics to maximum settings possible. Let's see how this game performs. So judging by the gameplay, there are absolutely no frame drops. Overall gameplay is flawless. Testing the temperatures, which rise to a maximum of 43, which is nothing to be worried about because the phone is actually cooler than that. Next I'll be playing Asphalt 9 and the initial temperature is 36, and as you can see I've switched the graphics to high. Let's see how this game performs. As you can see, the gameplay has been excellent and the temperature raised to a maximum of 40, so no heating issues either. Poco has liquid cool technology which helps in keeping the performance consistent, as I've observed consistent frame rate especially while playing PUBG. So to conclude, the Poco F1 is an obvious choice if you are a gamer. It is flawless in terms of performance, and additionally that 4000 mAh battery means you can have long gaming sessions without any worries. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video. It will be very helpful. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave links in this video's description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you're interested in more videos like this, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. Once you're subscribed, make sure you hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.